Hey travelers, my name's Austin and I'm the VR360 contributor at Wandering Wolf Productions. Let me tell you about what I'm gonna do next week. We're headed out to Costa Rica, and one of the things I needed to try was a new piece of equipment, specifically a new toiletry bag. The guys over at Gravel sent me the Plus. I'm gonna test this out on the trip. Let me show you what I'm working with right now. I'm just using this bag right here. Probably picked it up somewhere at Target years ago, and it's only really has two main components. So check this out. You open it up, I've got my deodorant, floss, toothpaste, cologne, everything all in one pocket. And look at that, man. Toothbrush is touching all of it. Nasty. Let me show you the other components. There's my other pocket. Shampoo, conditioner, hairspray, sunscreen, maybe some medicines. So let me show you about Gravel's new product, and I will show you later when I'm in Costa Rica how well it works. Yeah, like I said, we made it to Costa Rica. So let's check out that bag. Ooh, there's that bag. Y'all see it? There's that bag. This is the very first time that I'm opening it on this trip after I packed it up really nice and good last night. Voila. Look at that. Got little compartments. Medications. Medication. Eye drops. Deodorant. Zip. Next thing you know, toothbrush. It's not touching everything else. We got a little TSA liquid bag. Zoop. What I got in there? Shampoo, face wash, conditioner, sunscreen. Best part is, look at that! Look at that! You might ask, where's all the shampoo and soap bags supposed to go? Yeah! Yeah! I've had this Gravel Explorer travel toiletry bag for 3 days now. 3 days here in Costa Rica, and I love this thing. I keep all my toiletries just clean, away from each other, in separate components. I would highly recommend this bag. Again, deodorant, my toothbrush, meds, eye drops, and then over here, for all the wet items, shampoos, conditioners, face wash. You gotta go out and get one of these. The number one thing I liked about this bag is it fits our style of travel. At Wandering Wolf Productions, when we visit a country and film, we rarely stay longer than 1, 2, 3 nights in a hotel before we move on to the next location. So in order to prevent having to open up your bag, get settled in, you can work directly from this bag, see each little item that you want to use through the mesh, keep them separated, and when they're ready to move on to the next destination, zip it up and you're ready to go. The durability of the bag seems very solid. Again, I only put it to the test for about 10 days, but I didn't go easy on it. The other thing that I like about it is that I do like the TSA friendly bag for the liquids. So you just pull that out, drop it in the bin, show it to the TSA agent or security, and then you pop it right back in the bag. It's clear for them to visualize everything there. Also, my other favorite thing is the hook. I love being able to hook that in the shower and not have to take each individual component like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash and just sit it in different areas of the shower. So it keeps it nice, tidy, and in one spot. All right, we'll take a look at Gravel's website. It's graveltravel.com. If you'll take a look here at toiletry bags, and the first selection here is the Explorer Plus. Open that up, it'll give you some more images, give you an idea of what all can fit in each little component. A couple more views there. Highlights the fact that you can hang this bag anywhere, which I really enjoyed. That was the number one thing about this bag that I really loved. It does have an additional pocket on the outside that I failed to mention earlier. And also the exterior is waterproof. You can make 4 payments of $19.75 or just pay $79 up front. I had no issues with shipping. And again, lifetime warranty. Highly recommend this bag, guys. People at Gravel are excellent. Enjoy.